All right, going for maiden voyage. We're gonna let it for a drive, and we'll get some more video when we get this thing outside. All right, well, it's looking like it might rain, so we gotta give this thing a test drive around the block real quick. Maiden voyage, it runs. See how this goes. Hey, we gotta check power steering fluid again.
Check power steering.
I think it's stuck to dry again. No, you're good. You're good. We're just trying to get all the little bugs worked out of it right now. Well, I'll drive through the edges of it.
You know what I mean?
No, it's full. Everything's up high normally. Yeah, they do that on Corvettes too. They probably do that for that same reason. There's a rattle.
Huh? Yeah.
No. Yeah, this isn't mine. This isn't my car.
I thought you had a convertible though.
No. I'm not that rich. Oh, brake pedal's feeling better.
You got more air.
Oh, that's what it's doing. It's bleeding because of it's the feeling of the brake pedal
Bleeding.
with the power steering.
There's probably air in the system still.
Howdy, sir. It's getting there. We're almost there.